All right, boys and girls, 5-minute lessons, and we are solving equations involving exponents and logs. So using logs and the change of base formula to solve an equation. Couple of things. One, make sure you don't feel like you're like doing a foreign language here. Hopefully you understand that like the answer to this is 1. You should be able to do that in your head. The answer is 1. This one, a lot harder to do in your head, but it should be a little bit bigger than 2. So like have an idea of what you're doing. And that might, like, if you make a mistake, then you'll catch yourself, okay? All right, which of these things would you consider to be the base? It's the 2. The 2 has something growing on top of it. It's the base. So then we can rewrite that as log base 2 and then switch the other 2 things. Of 5 is x. Oh, okay, we got that. Okay, we pop it in our calculator. Remember, it's in math. It's all the way down there. I hit up to get to it quicker. We want log base 2 of 5. Log base 2 of 5. Bang, 2.3, exactly what we expected it to be. Which one am I on? So I would say x is about 2.3, help 2. Okay? Or just leave it like this if you want. That's the exact answer, but this says to round it to the nearest hundredth, so I'll follow directions. Okay, how about one that's a little more difficult, like number 7? Well, if it's not alone, then you got to get it alone first. So we need to isolate this complicated term. So subtract 5 first, and you get 2 to the x plus 6 equals 4. All right, which one of those things would you consider to be the base? That it's got something growing on it. It's a base. So log base 2 of 4 is x plus 6. Okay. All right. So what do? We subtract 6 from both sides, and you get x equals log base 2 of 4 minus 6. Okay. That might be a whole number actually, but I'll just go second math. Oh, I gotta hit this. Second math, excuse me, log base 2 of 4, and then minus 6. Let me get this right. Minus 6. And you get negative 4. Okay. So in general, get these by itself. Get the complicated term by itself. Identify the base. The base is 2. Log base 2 of 15 equals 3x. Divide by 3. Log base 2 of 15 divided by 3. Log base 2 of 15 divided by 3. 1.30. Okay, you can always check your answer by plugging it in. All right, so this is your second half of this. This is just going the other direction. Okay, the thing about this that's hard is they just write log. Remember, this says log. If you don't see a base, it's base 10. These lazy mathematicians are always making things more difficult for us. I'm really sorry about that. Not about the lazy people, about the mathematicians. All right, identify the base. All right, well, the base is 10. Switch the other 2. There you go. X is 100. Don't even need a calculator. How about that? I can do logs in my head. Okay, log base 10 of 3x equals 3. Identify the base, 10. Switch the other 2. 10 cubed over 3 equals x. Because I divide both sides by 3. So x is 1,000 over 3, so 333.33. You guys are all over this. Good luck.